So here we are again in the second season of our learning. So today our theme is about how we can create a poster, the Save the Earth poster. And this is my drawing. I already show it to all of the participants and then, yeah. Hai Nico, sudah selesai belum? Sudah selesai. Coba lihat. Wait Nico. Sebentar Nico, sebentar. Aku pin up dulu ya. Sebentar, Nico. Ya, keren banget Nico, tapi masih kosong ya, samping kanan kirinya ya. Ayo, tambahin gambar apa yang Nico mau.
Where is ini dia?
Wow, Ares, keren banget. Itu siapa? Vio ya? Keren banget gambarnya. Oke, yuk kita akan mulai.
Lucu.
Ya, kita akan coba mewarnai sekarang mana? Ya, mau coba mewarnai sekarang.
Apa, Kak? Boleh pakai krayon. Ambil krayon. Kiri kanannya belum ada. Harus dikasih apa, Kak? Kambing ya?
Iya.
Don't forget to make don't leave any empty space ya. Gambar jangan dibiarkan kosong, gambar apa sama kanan kirinya. Nah, Mr. Al nggak akan marah kalau gambarnya kurang bagus atau apa. Ini bukan masalah bagus atau enggak, ini hanya untuk teman-teman belajar, reflect, how is it nice or not.
Ya.
Wah, adanya Elbrus pinter nyanyi ya. Suaranya kedengeran dari sini, dia nyanyi-nyanyi sesuatu. Elbrus itu tinggalnya jauh di India ya. Di sana itu sekarang jam 9, berarti telat berapa aja? Masih pagi di sana katanya. Iya, di sini jam 2, di Serbia jam 9 pagi, baru pagi. Dia baru bangun tidur.
Israel,
Ya,
can I color it with crayon?
boleh. Pakai apa aja boleh. Krayon, terus dicampur nanti backgroundnya pakai air juga boleh. Jadi ini pilihan, this is optional guys. Pakai apa aja boleh, sama kalian punya. Ya. Biasanya tips dari Mr. Al, kita warnain area yang paling besar dulu, misalnya background.
Kan yang paling gampang.
Iya, yang kecil-kecil belakangan aja. Ya, apalagi di perlombaan, kalau di perlombaan harus cepat. Dia hanya dalam 2 jam harus selesai. Jadi yang kita prioritasin, the first priority of your drawing or your coloring is find the big area and then try to color the big area.
Enggak. Nggak main HP lagi nggak?
Using the second layer here.
Sekarang aja kamu. Main HP.
120 jam. 120 jam. Bukan. Bukan sih. Salah. Aneh.
Ya.
Aku kan
Go
lihat
to
tuh
color this one.
aneh. Ini harus menghitung.
Use this light blue to make the gradation effect, the gradient effect.
Airnya kurang.
Hi Ruth, how is it? You draw your earth already?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
Wait.
Yay. So hari ini kita belajar banyak hal. Nanti misalnya mau review again ya, mau review lagi.
Mister, airnya kurang.
Dan satu hal yang hari ini teman-teman harus ingat adalah anak yang banyak tanya adalah anak yang cerdas. Ya. Jadi kalau ada teman kalian suka nanyanya banyak, jangan diketawain. Dia itu sebetulnya cerdas. Dia mau tahu banyak hal.
Kenapa?
Boleh ketawain teman kita yang lagi tanya di kelas. Misalnya, even the silly one like, Mister atau Miss, kenapa ya kok langit itu biru? Kenapa langit itu biru? Ada yang bisa jawab? Why that the blue looks, the sky looks so blue?
That's a reflection from the sun.
That is the reflection from the sun, or what? That is reflection from the water, from the sea, or what?
Oh yeah,
Which one? Which one is the
from the
correct one?
sea.
Yes, it's because reflection from the
My
sea.
sister told it.
Iya, ada lagi yang nanya, misal kenapa ya setiap pagi ada embun? Oh my god, questionnya susah banget. Kenapa setiap pagi selalu ada embun? Kenapa kalau pagi-pagi dingin, kalau siang hari panas? Why?
Karena ada air.
Karena ada air. Boleh,
Karena ada matahari.
karena ada matahari. Ya, nanti kita akan cari jawabannya minggu depan. Ya. Misal, kenapa selalu pakai warna biru belakangnya? Karena misal senang warna biru atau karena memang belakangnya ini melambangkan atau representing sky.
Don't leave any space kan katanya.
Ya. Nah, ada pertanyaan lagi misal kenapa setelah warna biru muda mau pakai warna apa lagi misal? Terserah misal aku mau pakai warna pink juga nggak apa-apa. Iya.
Iya, kan sore biasanya ada warna pink.
Iya, don't limit yourself ya. Jangan dibatasin. Pokoknya misal mau tiba-tiba mau pakai warna orange atau pink boleh aja.
Boleh.
Di art itu semua form selama itu necessary, selama itu baik, nggak apa-apa pakai aja. Misalnya pakai warna pink gitu, boleh. Ya, tidak harus langit itu warnanya biru, enggak. Langit itu bisa aja warnanya pink.
Orange.
Atau bahkan kalau sore suka warna orange.
Warna angkasa.
Bagus. Snake.
Ini sepertinya kita akan ada satu session lagi deh. Teman-teman masih pada kerja ya. Nggak apa-apa ya, kalau nanti mati, kita lanjut lagi ya. Minggu depan kita akan pakai Google Meet, jadi
Yeay, Google Meet.
Apa?
biar bisa.
Google Meet apa? Google-nya meeting jadi sama.
Zoom.
So now I'm going to color the sky with purple, dark purple.
Yuhu. Will you use the
Kulitnya orang belum warnanya.
eyeglasses?
Apa? Warna kulit.
Green.
Ini di sini, di sini.
Is this good, Mr. Al?
Ibu.
Ya,
Enggak.
ya Glenn. Bagus banget Glenn. Coba lihat sebentar Glenn, sekali lagi Glenn. Bentar aku pin dulu ya. Coba aku mau lihat dari dekat. Wow, keren. Itu tinggal gambar apa namanya? Warnain apa backgroundnya ya. Save the Earth, ada apa? Ya oke, good job
It's
Glenn.
become green.
Ibunya belum. Ibunya yang cerah merah.
Ini tahu nggak kenapa ini miring? Keberatan.
Iya.
Niko gimana? Sudah selesai gambarnya?
Belum.
Belum ya. Oke.
Lagi diwarnai.
Tunjukin dong.
Nah, untuk warna kulit manusia
Nextnya apa?
boleh pakai cream atau boleh pakai coklat ya.
Yellow.
Yang ini.
Oke.
Ya.
Ini kan lebih bagus.
Bless you. Skinnya manusia boleh warna lain, misalnya brown atau kuning, karena
Ya, this
purple.
kan
ya benar.
Oh, I know because it's very dark.
Kopinya apa?
But not very.
Ini merah bagus.
Kamu
I
Orange.
think we should draw with art paint and water painter
Kopi.
Ininya
because it's more easier to draw with water painter than
oh,
the.
I'm going to combine it with
Hitam.
Yeah, that's okay. Gonna be back.
this nice orange. Can I get the orange one, Abia? Thank you, Abia. I'm going to make this color looks more.
See, when I draw with the same direction, go up and down.
Oh yeah, on next Thursday we're going to have a storytelling.
Yay!
This
Yeah.
yeah, somebody will give us a storytelling. They will read us some story with the doll later on.
Ini belum.
It will be so fun.
We have the dog down.
Yeah, and the fun thing is everything is free, no charge at all.
Wow, yours is so good.
Mommy, I'm relaxing my hand like a puppy.
Yeah.
Ya, boleh. Boleh.
You need to write down save our Earth first, Ruth. Because this is the Earth theme. What are you going to say about the Earth?
Mama,
We're trying to make.
Yeah, that's good too. We love the Earth. We love you, Earth.
Yeah, can be. We love you Earth is a good idea. We have to think stylish color.
udah. Yang lain.
sayapnya warna apa ya?
Love turtle.
Wait, look at Mr. Al's picture.
Okay, I'm going to.
Yeah, Mr. Al is the teacher kok.
Oh, this is my drawing. This is my background.
Wow,
This is my background.
very cool, Kakak Glenn.
Yeah, very cool, Glenn. Can you make it more solid, please, Glenn? Make it more tidy. Yeah, make it more solid. The color like blue, make it more blue, bluish, and you put some purple. Can you make it more purplish? Color it properly. Just slow down. We will have one more session. Yeah, today we're going to have 3 hours of drawing class. My goodness, so long. 3 hours. 40 times 3. How many?
Ini yang ini dong.
40 times 3, how many? 100 and what? How many minutes that you have? 100 or what? How many minutes? 1,000? No. Ya, ya sepatu bagus.
No, write down the anu dulu, the word. for
Wow,
the earth.
Elbrus keren banget. Ya ampun, keren banget. Iya,
Mana?
kakak coba suruh Elbrus warnainnya lebih rapi lagi. Itu kan masih ada putih-putih.
Iya, cuman mudinya ini.
Ya, 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 aku ngerti. Ya nggak apa-apa. Kalau emang udah nggak, memang udah 2 jam sih udah capek. Nggak apa-apa.
I
Udah.
love you, earth.
Suruh istirahat atau dia suruh gambar lagi aja pakai kertas baru nggak apa-apa.
E,
Background yang mana?
A, R, T, H. Yes. Yes. You can write down something for the earth too. What do you want to say again? What else do you want to
Just
say?
this one.
Just that one. That's fine.
And now let's draw the orange one.
What for? Oh,
For the upper one.
for the upper one. All right.
This is yours and this is mine.
Ini.
This upper
Mami, Ruth itu tinggalnya di mana sih? Di Australia?
Kenapa, Mr. Al?
Ruth tinggalnya di Indonesia atau di negara lain?
Di Indonesia kita, Mr. Al.
Oh, aku
Di
pikir-
Malang.
Oh ya ampun, jauh banget. Aku pernah ke Batu Malang dulu. Ke apa?
Ya.
Ke yang itu tuh apa yang
Museum itu ya.
ya,
Museum.
wisata itu ya penuh apa lebar banget itu berapa hektar di sana.
Iya.
Terus ada
Iya, di
kayak
Batu banyak.
ya.
Nggak kelihatan dong Kak kalau biru.
Wow.
Ruth udah pernah ke Batu Malang belum?
Belum, bukan enggak.
Pernah.
Aku pernah.
Sana enak, dingin di Malang.
Aku pernah.
Siapa yang pernah ke Batu Malang? Niko. Wah,
Wah.
keren banget. Niko lihat apa di sana?
Drawing.
Batu Malang itu ada dinosaurus.
Ini apa dibilangnya?
Sini dulu.
Kan bukan dinosaurus.
Nanti ada color.
Dinosaurus
Gonna be color
patung.
like red.
Oh, itu di Batu Malang.
Bisa gerak. Tori pernah ke Batu Malang? Pernah ke Malang, Tori?
Pernah.
Wow, Tori lihat apa di sana?
Nggak tahu.
Ini sih.
Aku di Batu Malang naik satu wahana, terus aku pegang tembak-tembakan, terus aku tembakin dinosaurus. Jadi dia masuk ke dalam sarang dinosaurus gitu. Terus kita tembak-tembakin dinosaurusnya. Cus gitu. Wow, Elbrus keren banget gambarnya. Bagus banget Elbrus. Elbrus gambar apa itu?
Kasih tahu gambar apa?
Gambar
Heart.
heart,
Terus ada apa ini?
matahari,
Yang biru.
Matahari. Terus
ada burung.
ada burung. Ada apa lagi?
Bunganya mana? Tunjuk bunganya.
Bunga ini.
Pohonnya.
Apa itu batu apa bunga?
Bunga.
Bunga.
Oh, terus apa lagi Elbrus?
Ada orang.
Ya, orang terus
Terus kupu-kupu.
Kupu-kupu.
kupu-kupu. Ada awan ya?
Kupu-kupu.
Iya, ada awan.
Ada awan.
Wah. Ada orang ya? Orang lagi ngapain itu Elbrus?
Ayo Kak jangan dengerin orang.
Is still there.
Ini ada hujan di sini.
Ada hujan di situ. Wah,
Iya,
pintar
ada
banget.
hujan.
Bye.
Hai, Elbrus. Ya, you're welcome. Elbrus masih kecil, tapi dia hebat, bisa duduk diem di meja terus gambar sampai selesai. Keren banget. Biasanya kalau anak laki-laki mengacir kemana-mana, lari ke sini, lari ke sana, gitu ya. Tapi kalau Elbrus keren banget. Iya, Elbrus bisa drawing. Good job. Oke, teman-teman, sekarang waktunya untuk presentasi. Siapa yang mau coba duluan?
No
Wants to
problem. It's okay. Just presentation.
belum selesai, ya udah. Oke, kita akan satu session lagi ya. Jadi Mr. Al bakal tungguin, nggak apa-apa sampai selesai. Jangan buru-buru. Kita akan lihat sampai selesai. Mr. Al juga mau selesai ini dulu ya, teman-teman. Aku mau selesaiin gambarku dulu. Aku mau warnain pakai warna lain.
Oh ya, Mami.
Kalau ngeluarin itu garis itu, Kak. Itu kayak bikin semen itu. Terus apa lagi?
My hand has to relax first, ya, Mami.
Yes, don't worry.
Mami, what's this? Mami, what's this? Listen to my hand.
Ingat di sini udah ada hijau ya, nanti kalau hijau lagi.
Nah, yuk gambar bawahnya. Oh, bagus banget ini. Ada gradasi warna hijau. Keren. Itu mau warna apa ya?
Like a circle.
Ya,
Nanti sepatunya
iya,
ketutup.
rambutnya blondie ya, orang Amerika. Wah, Elbrus sudah keluar, dia udah main.
Elbrus sudah bosan.
Udah bosan ya. Di sana lagi musim apa, Mami?
Lagi musim semi.
Semi ya, panas atau gimana suhunya?
Udah mulai panas, tapi hujan, masih hujan-hujan
Oh,
terus.
hujan ya. Sana masih lockdown nggak?
Udah enggak sih, udah new normal, cuman kasusnya udah turun.
Kasusnya udah turun ya, tapi tetap pakai masker ya.
Jaga jarak gitu-gitu masih.
Di sana jam berapa, Bu? Sekarang?
Jam 10.
Wah, jam 10 pagi ya? Oh, berarti di sana lebih lambat daripada di sini. Di sini udah jam udah jam 3 lewat. Oke, Elbrus, selamat beristirahat. Elbrus boleh lihat chat. Kalau
Paling Elbrus udah nggak ikut ya.
ya, makasih, Mami.
Terima kasih, Mr. Am.
Sama-sama. Sampai ketemu lagi. Hari Selasa kita ada.
Hari apa?
Hari Selasa mau ada storytelling, jadi ada orang bacain cerita terus pakai boneka tangan gitu.
Atau nggak bisa. Bye, Mr. Am.
Glenn juga udah. Glenn, can you please present your work first before you leave? Wait ya, Glenn. I'm going to pin your.
Kak. Masa?
Iya.
Ready?
Ya, Glenn, you can start now.
So this is my drawing of Savior. So first I drawed the earth. Then I drew a person that is holding a racket so he can throw plastics away from earth.
Something.
And I drew the person so he can push the plastic thing so it doesn't touch the earth. And I colored it with pink color. And I put a drawing here that says, save Earth. That's my drawing.
Are you happy with the result, Glenn?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Do you think that your drawing already good?
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay. Do you think that you are success? I mean, you achieve your success criteria?
No.
Why you don't say, why some of them are not success? I mean, why not meeting your criteria?
I think it doesn't have too much color.
Oh, that's because of too much color. Okay, then Glenn, thank you. You can leave the video now. You can relax and see you on Wednesday. Bye, Glenn. Bye, Albrus. Now we have Aleta. Sudah selesai belum? Are you done?
My imaginary bird.
Wow, Aleta. Oh my God. Wait. Wait, Aleta. We're going to see your drawing first. Okay, ready? You can present now. Ready? 1, 2, go.
I made a person here and a lot of animals and made trees and a banana and here and there and a bushes right here and here. This is a man.
Are you happy with your drawing? Are you with your painting? Why you so happy with that? Why are you happy with the painting?
My paint is so shiny.
Oh, cool. Do you think that your drawing are very good? Okay, I agree with you. Your drawing are very good, Aleta. Thank you so much. I give you 2 thumbs up. And Devanka, do you have any question for Aleta?
Okay. No.
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 Okay then, Aleta, thank you so much. You can take a rest now. You can leave the video and see you on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday we're going to have additional meeting. We're going to listen up to the storyteller later on. Bye bye, Aleta. See you. Thank you so much. You can leave the video now. You can leave the call now. And the rest will be who? Yeah. Who wants to be the next one? Okay, Rachel. Wow, good job. Go, Rachel. 1, 2, go.
First, this is my draw. I draw an earth, a butterfly, a cloud, a bird, a people,
Okay.
a flower,
Okay.
a backpack, and a shirt, a skirt. Already.
Okay, are you happy with that?
Yes.
Why are you happy with your drawing?
Because it's so pretty.
It's a pretty. Thank you so much, Rachel. Next will be who? Who wants to be the next one? Nico or Ares? Oke, Ares dulu deh ya. Sebentar ya, Nico. Ya kalau sudah selesai kan bisa main bola nanti.
Main bola.
Nah, I don't want to go out.
Ya, Ares silakan. Sini deketan biar adik-adiknya bisa lihat gambar Ares, bisa terinspirasi. Oke.
Okay.
Ya.
Itu aku bolong.
Okay, this is my draw.
Bolong. Itu bolong.
Ya udah. So this is my drawing.
Ya.
First, I draw an earth, a small earth in here, and there in the earth, and then I draw 3 animals. Yeah, so many birds in the sky. Then I draw a grass and a tree in here. So then I draw sun and cloud, and then a name says the earth.
Okay, thank you so much. Please finish it later ya, Ares. Because I'm going to send your drawing to join the competition later on. Finish it ya. Selesain ya gambarnya ya. Thank you Kakak Ares. Siapa lagi?
Okay.
Maybe? Kakak Niko ya. Oke, Niko. Kakak Ares jangan leave call dulu karena Kakak Vio belum selesai. Oke, Niko, you can start now. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Itu mute masih itu.
Yeah, we cannot hear you, Nico. Can you please open your microphone?
Oh, mute lagi. Ya, udah.
Okay, go.
This is my drawing. First, I draw one person
Okay.
and the earth, and I draw a flower and another flower, and I draw a snake and a butterfly, and I color it with a spidol and a crayon.
Okay. Are you happy with that, Nico?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. As long as you're happy, everything will be just fine. Thank you so much, Nico. You can leave the call now. Thank you, and see you on Tuesday, Haris. And the last one, next will be who? Who wants to be the next one? Mau sekarang? Okay, Tori first, please. Come on, go, Tori.
This is my draw. First, I draw the people, and then I draw the earth, and then I draw the sun, I draw the clouds, and
Wow.
another clouds, and then I draw a bird, the bird, the flower, and then I draw some bird, and then another bird here, and then a butterfly, and then a grass.
Are you happy with your drawing, Tori?
Yes,
Why are you happy with that?
because it's beautiful.
Because it is beautiful. Okay, thank you. I agree with you. Your drawing looks so beautiful. I'll give you 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much, Tori, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Next will be Ruth. You want to be the next one? Okay. Listen up, Ruth. We're going to present her work. Ready? 1, 2, go. Go, Ruth.
I dropped her hand is like the earth, and I dropped the grass with some flowers, and I
Okay.
dropped persons, a brother and a sister, and I dropped the sky that it's almost nighttime,
Okay.
and I dropped something that says we love you, Earth.
Okay.
We dropped the earth and the grass.
Grass. Yeah.
That's all.
What is the slogans? Sounds.
Can you close it close to Mr. Al so that Mr. Al can
What is the slogan sound? What is the word that you write? We love you.
read your itu. Ini loh Ruth, apa bacanya sayang?
Oh, yeah. What is that?
We love you, Earth. We love you, Earth.
All right. Thank you so much, then, Ruth. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yes.
Wow, I'm also happy with your drawing. And you know what? The way you draw the people are very cool. With a very long, yeah. It's like very cartoon, yeah.
Yeah, I also wanted to draw that and a free drawing.
Yeah, see that?
Same like my imagination.
Kakak Devanka get inspired by you, Ruth. Kakak Devanka said she wants to draw like you, like the one.
It's like my imagination, same.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ruth. See you again next time.
Thank you, Mr. Al.
Yeah, bye-bye. Next will be Kakak. Okay, Abia, come on. Ready? 1, 2, go. Kakak Aris, Kakak Vio udah siap?
Dan
Udah.
Oke, after Abia sebentar ya. Abia dulu ya. Ready? 1, 2, go. Abia, silakan. Ini gambar Bia, terus yang keras suaranya Bia, nggak kedengeran temen. Yang keras suaranya Bia, nggak kedengeran. Iya. Bener? Sini, bisa kasih tahu. Tuh gambarnya keren banget kata Bia. Apa lagi?
I made a Slurpee cookie.
Oke deh, sudah selesai ya. Terima kasih nih kakak-kakak. Nih gambarnya Dede Abia keren banget. Bumi kita hanya satu. Ya, oke.
Iya, bagus banget. Ih,
Lanjutkan. The last but not the least, kita punya kakak siapa dulu nih?
Bolong-bolong.
Tadi siapa sih yang belum? Oh, kakak Devanka ya.
Ares itu. Oh, Ares.
Oh iya, kakak Vio sabar ya. Habis kakak habis Dede Devanka sebentar ya. Oke,
Itu gambarannya Devan Kairut.
silakan kakak Devanka.
Bagus banget.
Go.
Hi, this is my drawing.
Ya, ntar dulu ya, filter background-nya nggak bisa mati. Gimana caranya nih? Oke. Ya udah langsung aja nggak apa-apa.
Okay. Hi, this is my drawing.
And then,
First, I draw the person, and then I draw the person with the bag and the shoes with the what is that? A skirt. Then I draw the animals like the bird and the cat. Then I draw the flowers, and then this one, the earth and the sun, and then I draw the background.
all right, that's it.
Yeah.
Are you happy with this one? With the
Yeah.
result? All right, that's it so far, everybody. This is Kakak Devanka drawing. I mean, not Kakak, because he's still young. All right, thank you so much. I hope you can get inspired from her. Now, the last but not the least, we only have like, how many minutes? Oh, 2 more minutes. Come on, Kakak Ares. This is your turn. I mean, Kakak Vio. Come on, Vio. Last 2 minutes.
Wait.
Ya. Ya, silakan Kakak Vio. Ready, 1, 2,
Itu
go.
nanti.
Ready, 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing. First, I draw the head and make a person. Two person. One is holding a board, and two is holding earth. And then I draw earth and cloud in here, and the sun, and a grass.
Oke, thank you Kak Vio. Kakak Vio keren banget, posternya diselesain. Nanti fotonya kirim ke Mr. Al ya. Mr. Al mau bantuin kirimin ke panitia lombanya nanti. Oke, buat teman-teman semuanya, thank you so much. Buat adik kita Ruth. Bye everyone, it's time for us to play outside. Play outside. It's time to play outside. Bye-bye everybody. We're going to ride the bicycle. And we're going to have a sunbathing. Bye-bye, Ruth. Thank you so much. Bye, see you again. Bye-bye, Abia. Bye-bye, Kakak Elbrus. Bye-bye, Kakak Ares and Pio. See you again on Tuesday. Bye, Ruth.
Bye. Thank you, Mr. Al.
Bye. See you again next time.
Bye.